Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region is that at this time heavy artillery and many forces moving northern Ethiopia to support the Ethiopian National Defense Force in the fight against the Tigray Defense Force. Because preparations for a massive war against Tigray Defense Force are currently taking place in Ethiopia. While Tigray Defense Force has already defeated the Ethiopian National Defense Force, Eritrean Defense Force, and Amhara forces in the Tigray region in the war that began on November 4th, 2020. But now the war has been declared again by the Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed against Tigray Defense Force. And in this war, the Ethiopian army is joining neighboring forces so that around 10 forces can fight only Tigray Defense Force. And heavy weapons from the Ethiopian army, including tanks, are being delivered to the Tigray border. And a video about it also shared in which you will be able to see these heavy weapons. Viewers, I will share this video with you at the end. But right now, the pictures you are looking at on your screen are from the Sidma Region Special Forces, who have come to support Ethiopian National Defense Force in the war against Tigray Defense Force. And these soldiers have arrived at Debre Marcos, and their numbers are mentioned around 500. Viewers, and these images you see on your screen are from Beni Shongol Gumaz Regional Special Forces, and these photos are from when these soldiers are leaving their region to support the Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force. And yet no report has been received regarding their numbers. And the photos you are seeing are from the Somali regional forces when they are leaving the Somali region to support the Ethiopian National Defense Force against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, I informed you several days ago that Somali forces are reaching Ethiopia to support Ethiopian National Defense Force. But at that time, my report was declared untrue or baseless from many viewers. And these photos you are seeing on your screen from Harare Region Police when Harare Region Police are going to fight against the Tigray Defense Force. And these pictures from Gambela Region Special Forces at a dinner and speech before going to fight the Tigray Defense Force. And these pictures you are seeing on your screen from Amhara militia in Gondar are rallying to go fight against the Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, there are about 10 forces that are going to fight against Tigray Defense Force together. But there is still no such statement from Tigray Defense Force which shows that Tigray Defense Force cannot compete with them, or a statement that shows Tigray Defense Force has given up. Nothing like this has been seen so far. Here I would like to ask what Tigray Defense Force has that other forces do not have. There is an island inside them about their people or land, for which they do not care about their lives or anything else. Well, share the video as much as possible so I can get an answer. So viewers, let's watch the video and many pictures. Thanks for watching.